मैं एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर पीजी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री गवर्नमेंट इंटर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल फिजिकल स्पेशल में 9th की पेपर यूनिट 5th के अंतर्गत पेरिसर पास पोर्टल मेथड पढ़ेंगे, जो नॉर्मली पीपीपी मेथड के नाम से जाना जाता है। Although the Huckel theory can be used to predict the longest wavelength band of aromatic hydrocarbons, it would be hopeless to try Huckel molecular orbital theory to predict the complete electronic spectrum of an aromatic hydrocarbon. For example, Huckel theory, which neglects inter-electronic repulsion, gives no separation between singlet and triplet electronic terms arising from the same configuration. Separation of 1 or 2 electron volt are observed between such terms. A semi-empirical pi-electron theory that takes electron repulsion into account and thereby improves on the Huckel method is the CPP method. Here, the pi electron Hamiltonian one including Hamiltonian pi is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n pi Hamiltonian pi core I plus summation I is equal to 1 n pi summation I is equal to greater than 1 upon Rij. This is equation 1. Electron repulsion is used and the pi wave function is written as an antisymmetrized product of pi electron spin orbital. A minimal basis set of 2 pi flatter type of orbital on each conjugated atom is used, and the partial pi molecular orbitals phi I are taken as linear combination of these atomic orbitals. Pi is equal to summation r minus 1 b c r I f r. The Routh-Kahn equations are used to find SCF, pi molecular orbitals within the pi electron approximation. The pi electron Hamiltonian H pi has the all electron operator. Hamiltonian HEL is equal to minus half summation del square I minus summation I summation alpha Z alpha upon R I alpha plus summation I summation J is equal to J is greater than I is greater than 1 upon R I J. This is equation number 3. For a molecule, except the Hamiltonian pi core, I replace H core. Hamiltonian H core I is equal to minus half del square I minus summation alpha Z alpha upon R I alpha, and the sum goes over only the n pi electrons, then over all the electrons. Hence, the SCF pi molecular orbital satisfies operator F pi psi I is equal to epsilon q phi I, where F pi is given with the Hamiltonian core I replaced by Hamiltonian pi core and n by 2 replaced by n pi by 2. The pi electrons are viewed as the field arising from nuclei and the sigma electrons. If charge originated by S atom, sigma is added to the nuclear charge Zs, then net charge becomes n pi s, where number of pi electron of S is n pi s. Then internuclear repulsion is V and n is equal to summation R is greater than S, summation S n pi R n pi S. The PP method is usually not used for determining the equilibrium geometry, but ionization energy of pi electrons and pi transition are used to calculate part of electronic spectrum. Internuclear distance not changed significantly by pi electron transition, so one can omit V and n term. The Rutmann equation becomes, which is given in equation 6, and F pi R S is almost equal to H4 pi R S plus summation T is equal to 1 to P, summation U is equal to 1 to P, P Tu Rs upon Tu minus half Ru upon Ts, equation number 7. In addition to assuming sigma pi separability, the PPP method makes further approximations. As in Huckel theory, overlap is neglected. SRS is equal to integral FR1 upon FS1 is equal to delta RS. Delta RS is Kronecker delta. Consistent with the neglect of overlap integrals when evaluating electron repulsion integrals, the PPP method makes the approximation of ZDO. FR1 S6 FS1 dV1 is equal to 0 for R is not equal to S. The method ignores many of electron repulsion integrals to simplifying the calculation. All 3 and 4 center electron repulsion integrals are ignored and integrals treated as an empirical parameter. ZDO approximation seems quite drastic. However, partial theoretical justification for it can be given by representing the atomic orbitals used to express the molecular orbitals as orthogonalized atomic orbitals. Each orbital in a set of orthogonalized atomic orbitals is a linear combination of ordinary atomic orbitals, the coefficient being chosen so that the members of the set are mutually orthogonal. To make the orthogonalized atomic orbitals resemble to ordinary atomic orbitals by minimizing the sum of square of the derivation of orthogonalized atomic orbitals from the ordinary atomic orbitals. With orthogonalized atomic orbitals, the electron repulsion integrals neglected in the ZDO approximation are generally found to be quite small. Equation 9 and the matrix element F pi R S is F pi R S is equal to Hamiltonian core pi R S plus summation from T P T T gamma RT minus half PRR gamma by gamma RR. F pi RS is equal to H core pi RS minus half PSR upon RS when R is not equal to. The PPP method does not attempt to explicitly specify Hamiltonian core pi or to calculate H core pi RS integral. Theoretically, the integrals H core pi RS and gamma RS are calculated from empirical parameters for R and S atom. H core sigma RS is equal to integrals F1 operator H core pi 1 F1 is equal to 0 for R and S bonded. H core pi RS is equal to beta core RS for RS bonded. Beta core RS is empirical parameter depend on nature of atom. The overlap integral Fr upon Fs is calculated by parameter K. H core pi RS is equal to integrals Fr operator H core pi Fr is equal to alpha core sigma is equal to integral F1 minus half tail square plus V1 Fr1. This is equation number 12. V1 is potential energy of pi electron 1 in the field of sigma electrons and nuclei. Let R and S atom on which 2p pi atomic orbital Fr and Fs centered and beta index of non-conjugated atom. V1 is equal to Vr1 plus summation S plus R Vs1 plus summation beta V beta 1. Vrs is equal to integral F1 operator minus half tail square minus V beta 1 F1. The PPP method takes average energy as equal to the 2 pi orbital energy for an atom in valence state. PPP calculation start Huckel molecular orbital coefficient for PSIS calculation. The initial density matrix element PRS calculated. The initial F pi RS matrix element to solve equation 6. For pi electron orbital energy epsilon I and an improved set of coefficients PSI calculate improved PRS values and so on until convergence is reached. To improve the result, Ci of the pi electrons can be included for alternate hydrocarbons. A is equal to 1. The PPP method gives a good account of the electronic spectra of many but not all hydrocarbons. The PPP method is not used nowadays but used to evaluate integrals of current semi-empirical theories.